now the third B girls showing their talent through their dance performance in front of you. So please encourage our children by giving a big round of applause by everyone. stage and say a few words.
A very good evening, Gurukul Bright World School audience. I'm including all my teachers, my parents, my dear students and my non-teaching staff. So before I start with my speech, I would humbly request all the parents to please take the seat. Do not block the passages and the gate. Please come back to your place, everyone. Yes, so firstly, a very warm welcome, everyone. It has been a great evening. I'm really enjoying it. I hope you all do too. So Gurukul now, it does not need an introduction. There are been days which have been fabulous for us. There are been days which are tough for us. But I think we all are together as a team, learning to fight against it, learning to get new solutions, because this is all about life. So what I have learned that in life is, it is all about, as I said yesterday also in my annual day, it is up and down, up and down. That is why it is life. So there are good days, bad days, hard days, lovely days, tough days, worst days, crying days, laughing days, family days, and the day like this, a school day. So I think we should learn to live in all these days with a smile, because that is all what matters. Because even this time will pass away. So if it is a happy moment, you smile because you are going to remember it later. It's a sad moment. What I have learned is again to smile, because that is what I want to remember that moment as well in the next year of my life. So yes, I won't deny this. Yes, there has been some complaints, some issues which have been put forward, but it has come very, very, very late. So as I would just like to say this recent incident is a great example for each one of us to learn. I think regarding costumes some issues came, but I was really very glad that some parents pointed it out in a right way. Pointing out issues, pointing out problem is not a problem for me, but pointing out in a wrong way is a big problem. Not only for the person to whom you are addressing, also to the person who is taking your complaint. So I would say there will be times, of course we all are having different perspective, different views. Problems आ सकती है, हमें कुछ चीज़ें सही लगेगी जो सामने वाले को गलत लगेगी, सामने वाले को कुछ चीज़ सही लगेगी जो मुझे गलत लगेगी, but there will always be a way. So what you say is never a problem for us. We are welcome to, solve all your problems, but how you say, that matters. The way you say, that matters. So the way the costume thing came by one parent, it was really commendable. It came very softly, and then it made, immediate attention went, immediate solution wherever possible we had taken, and we moved forward to it. And then we also came to the next solution, that from next year onwards, Gurukul is not going for rental costumes. Gurukul Little Hopes is anyways not going. Gurukul Little Hopes is not going for rental costumes. They are going for color code theme. So same will be applicable for Bright World School. But really thank you to that parent who brought it in very right way. Other parents are not saying कि आपने बता के गलती की, आपने अच्छा किया, आपने बताया, पर अच्छे तरीके से बताते तो बात ही क्या थी. So that was all we were hoping. We are not saying you don't bring your issues, and please bring it on time. Ma'am, April में क्या हुआ था पता है? So I have to say, ma'am, February, ma'am, can't help. See the gap. So the problem comes, please report it immediately, at least as long as your child is in Gurukul, with Gurukul, at Gurukul. I will just make sure the solution is given and in a right way. But all we need is it has to come on time to the right person in a right way. Of course, there is always other way to go, but I will never suggest to go the other way. The other way has other consequences. Let's not go there. So I'll stick to this thing. So yes, Gurukul has been progressing day by day, and I have seen it being a teacher, then being a principal here, and now being a mentor for many of my teachers, those who are learning from me, my students, those who are learning from me, the bond that we all have. Touch wood, and I would say like God has blessed us, and God has blessed us, is blessing us, and I always hope He keeps His blessing on all of us. The bond which we all share in here, the 6 hours, the first 6 hours of the morning are so beautiful that only that energy keeps us all of moving. हम सबको लगाए रखती है कि कुछ तो करना है, कुछ न्यू, कुछ नया, कुछ और. So we don't stop. So yes, for the parents who said यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा celebrations होता है. Yes, the childhood is everything about celebration. We don't want a routine life. वो तो job में आनी ही है सबको. So we want to celebrate. The parents who have यहाँ पे बहुत competitions होते हैं. Of course we have competitions. We are not denying. We are doing the competitions, a healthy competition, and we are choosing it class wise. So maximum competition names, winners name can be selected. Syllabus hard है. हाँ है, आपने CBSE बोर्ड जो लिया है. So उसमें भी कोई compromise नहीं कर सकते. But yes, I do appreciate the parents who came up with this. The next books are fabulous, and I do agree they have the content which is level up and which is required. And with this I would like to make an announcement. Next year, for all the parents, those who are continuing with us, in 23-24 we are going for the complete 360-degree program. So a big round of applause for this. बाद में बताती हूँ वो क्या है. So yes, we are going for the next education 360-degree program. So from the start till the end, every minute, everything, whether the competition, whether the records, whether the ID cards, whether the report cards, whether the attendance, anything that you say and it has it there, it all comes in a proper standard procedure. The complete portfolio of a child comes in a proper, a standard procedure. Everything will be there lined up. So I think it will give us the more detailed picture of our child, because I always said Gurukul is progressing. So we are moving a step ahead. So after next, we are going for the next 360-degree, which will for sure bring the holistic development of each and every child within at Gurukul. And now coming to the theme, lovely theme. I would love to say, yes, themes मैंने ही push कर दिए teachers को, but I never knew that it would come in such a beautiful way. The sports, yes, we do have a small ground, but if you will see our ground, it is 24/7 occupied. Morning 9-10 assembly के बाद ही एक line move नहीं करती है. Girls move, boys move. One line will be standing. Then we have to ask why. Ma'am, sports. We don't have to go up. हमें यहीं रुकना है. हमारा पहला लेक्चर यही होगा. Sham sir is present. We saw him. Shamfrit sir is there. We saw. So that is how the sports is keeping them so much, grasping them, gripping them, and keeping them on walk, on toes. And I think that is really something they all are enjoying. It was introduced late because I think after Diwali we came with this. But fabulous job I think the sir has done. He's not here, but a big round of applause for Shamfrit sir also. With every child from 1st grade to 5th grade, you only go and say, आज आपने ये नहीं किया है ना? Nothing, we are just cancelling your sports lecture. And then work is done like this. Within a minute, हो गया, ma'am, done, written, 2 times done. We have to go for sports lecture. So that is how the sports base is forming. Because what I believe, ग्राउंड बड़े होने से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है ग्राउंड में कितनी देर कितनी बार हमारे बच्चे जाते हैं. और ये ग्राउंड जो हमारा गुरुकुल का है, फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 9-10 till I think up till lunch break, it is always occupied, always. And even I think karate sir has to ask that can we arrange alternate this, because kids are so much enjoying. I think from badminton, from basketball, he is just giving the basic training, but the grip is getting so good, and I'm really thankful to sir with what he has done. Dance teacher, no need to say, she has done a fabulous job today also. Yes, she had a very rough day with the costume part, but as I said to her also, there are good days, there are bad days, we come with a solution, let it go. So as I have one mentor in my life, I keep looking forward to him. He is a very famous personality, and he always says that this is all about life. And when I say this to myself in the toughest time, I feel yes, this is all about life. This is not my life, this is just a part of a life. This is not how Gurukul works. This is just a day in a Gurukul school. So it is okay if it is up and down. All it matters, you keep moving, you keep going, you don't stop, you don't let anyone stop you, no matter how hard it feels. So he has said this beautiful line, that if you feel like, I think it sounds good in Hindi, so अगर आपको चांद को छूने की ख्वाहिश है तो छलांग मारना सीख लो. It doesn't matter, we know हम कोई चांद को छुएंगे नहीं. बट अगर चांद को छूने की ख्वाहिश रख के छलांग मारना नहीं सीखेंगे तो कभी 10 माले 20 माले तक वाली हाइट पे भी हम नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. एंड मी एज अ प्रिंसिपल इन गुरुकुल, आई वांट गुरुकुल टू रीच स्काई हाइट. वी आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग एनीवेयर इन बिटवीन till we don't reach there, sustain there and be there. So I really thanks to all the parents who brought few issues. With that I would like to say, maybe if you are not there with us, your children are not there with us, but you gave us a very nice window. We are open to that new window. And with this I would also like to make a second announcement. A sea of wisdom, a sea of knowledge is coming next year to Gurukul. A sea of very experienced, very trained and I think very energetic new staff is joining the Gurukul family. So I hope you all will meet them in the next year and see how it works for you. And now coming to the next theme, that is our around the world. तो आपको ये पूरे वर्ल्ड की सैर क्यों कराई हमने? यहाँ बैठे बैठे क्यों we are taking you to Korea, we are taking you to Spain, we are taking you to Japan, China. Any guesses? No, Gurukul is not opening any branch outward. That is for sure. But Gurukul is bringing the international language to Gurukul in the next academic year. So we are starting with the international language in the coming academic year 23-24. I think this was the best opportunity to announce all these announcements. So I have saved all these announcements to do it today. So yes, and of course thank you to all the PTA members. You have done a good job, especially those who are very active, who came forward, who brought the problems. See, I am always, as I always told to everyone, I am all ears, I am always listening. There is a difference in hearing and listening. सुन के निकालना हमारा काम नहीं है. We listen, we note down. This time this parent came and said this for this ma'am, this and this for this teacher. So I would just like to say the management is not a failure here. Gurukul management, Gurukul staff, whether teaching, non-teaching, transport, the canteen, no one is a failure here. So those who feel that Gurukul is a failure or Gurukul management is a failure, I would like to say progress may be slow, but is a progress. Progress may be big, is a progress. So I don't mind going slow, but I just want to keep moving and I want to stick to that. So with this, thank you for listening me out. Spending your time, and thank you so much for coming here, because all it matters is our children are very happy today. So at the end what matters for us is children are happy, whether with us, whether anywhere around, if they are getting what they are looking for. If you find what you are looking for, please go ahead. That is the right choice, that is the right way to go. So to all the parents here, heartfelt thank you that you trusted us with your children for this year or maybe for long years, who were with us for the long time. It has been really fabulous journey, and I wish you all the best for your future coming years. And to all the parents, those who are with us, a last announcement. You all have been looking forward to PTMs. Though some have taken the very good advantage of that PTM, I must say. But good work you all are doing. You are keeping our teachers on toes. Some were very silent who did not take the proper opportunity. So learn from the others and do use it. So with next year we are having PPM coming. Now parents, those who were present yesterday cannot answer. Others can answer. What is PPM? Principal Parents Meeting. So from next year we are having the PPM coming along with the PTM. PTM kahin nahi ja raha hai, teachers are there, PTM is going as it is. But along with that we are going to have a PPM. So just to make sure that the vacuum is not created between you and me also. So it doesn't always come third way. Sometimes we can directly get connected to this. So I think all the 4 announcements are fabulous, right? The yes is sounding so slow. Should I take it back?
Yes.
Yeah, so with this, all the very best. Now our 4th grade class is coming, and last but not the least, the lovely 5th grade class is also coming. It has been a really good journey, and me, as you know, I am very active. I don't always like to just be there in the office. I go in their dance rehearsal, I go in their sports rehearsal, I go even when they are in the canteen and I ask them, आपका लाइक है ना? Then they say, ma'am, why you are coming and checking on me? I said, I have to do, that is what my work is. So he says, no ma'am, Principal is supposed to sit in the office. I say other principals do. Principals at Gurukul are not supposed to sit. Principal, teachers, everyone at Gurukul are not supposed to sit. All we are here is we should be always on toes. Be ready for anything that comes, everything that comes, anytime it comes, every time it comes. As long as I think we have Kamal sir, we have Hemant sir, we have myself on the team and all our teaching staff on the team, I think we all will be get going. So I hope everyone, those who had a breakdown, lose down in the few last week, I think this much energy is enough to keep going for the next month. And April we are meeting again for the orientation. So thank you so much everyone. And I think now it's time to call our 4th grade students. Thank you.
So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I'll get my ping pong. This is big, heavy, can't hear the bass, bro, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, get this beach shake like money. This go, all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I go. Hey, so let's go. It's in the stars tonight, so we bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So light it up like dynamite. Whoa.
Like pink in your area. 보란 듯이 무너졌어. 바닥을 뚫고 저 지하까지.
엊그처럼 잡겠다고 저 높이 두 손을 뻗어봐도
다시 캄캄한 이곳에 light up the sky. 네 두 눈을 보며 kiss you bye. 실컷 비웃어라 꼴종이가. 이젠 너희 하나 둘 셋. How you like that? You gon' like that? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. How you like that? How you like that? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Like me. Dum 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 dum. How you like that? Dum 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 dum. You gonna like dum 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 dum. How you like that? Dum 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 dum.
It's the thought of being young, when your heart just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like sport, sing along to Elton John, and to that feeling we're just getting started.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm starts to falling behind,
Just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye, and you say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a place and live just like we're going and rolling like we're dancing through. We don't need
yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, if you fold it up, hey, Samina, Sangalewa, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa.
तेरी आंखों का इशारा समझे है दिल हमारा, कभी ख्वाबों में आके जरा मिल। तेरे पीछे ये बेचारा फिरता है मारा मारा, मेरी सांसों की तू है मंजिल। फिर भी कूल है, फिर भी तू बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, मूवी तेरी तोड़े रूल है, तू है डिस्को दीवानी। हाय वक्त नशा तेरा कर कर के करता रात ये पूरी बेबी स्लो, अब नींद नहीं आनी। डांस मेरी रानी, नाच 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 मेरी रानी, नाच 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 मेरी रानी, नाच 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 मेरी रानी, नाच 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 डांस मेरी रानी।
हमारी सिंगर, हमारे स्कूल की सिंगर अक्षिता शुक्ला वन मोर सॉन्ग लेके आ रही है आपके सामने। देखते हैं कौन सा गाना वो पेश करती है।
I'm going to sing one more song. तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों पे जिस्म सजाया है, अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया चाहत हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Thank you.
So, let's welcome my 5th grade girls.
Evening by wonderful dance performance by our 5th grade boy group.
अब
बात करनी है हमने मोहब्बत की है, इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत ली है। हुनर है ये भी इश्क का, किसी किसी को आता है, जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है। बात करते हैं हजारों, तजुर्बा हमें यारों, बात करते हैं हजारों, है तजुर्बा हमें यारों। ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो झूमे जो पठान मेरी जान, महफिल ही लुट जाए, दे दे जो तूफान मेरी जान, उस पे पर मिट जाए।
Hello, good evening everyone. A good event never ends in the world. They take a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. Within these words, I, teacher Rupali Savle, close this event with thanking everyone with a vote of thanks. First and foremost, we thank the Lord Almighty who refreshed our soul with a sweet stream of blessings. We express our deep sense of gratitude to our guest, respected trustee Mr. Hemant Maru sir, our chief guest Mr. Raghunath Patra sir, our chairperson of a school Mr. Kamal Patra sir, our landlord Mr. Namdev Patil sir, and our principal ma'am Khushbu ma'am. For encouraging us, it is indeed your presence made this evening a joy, one for all of us. A very heartfelt thanks to Kamal sir and Khushbu ma'am. It is your vision and a leadership that has brought everything possible on this campus. We feel proud and pleasure to spell out word of thanks for our dear student who worked hard and made this event a great success. मुझे एक दोहा याद आ रहा है, गुरु अमृत है जगत में बाकी सब विष बेल। गुरु अमृत है जगत में बाकी सब विष बेल। सद्गुरु संत अनंत है प्रभु से कर दे मेल। गीली मिट्टी अनगढ़ी, गीली मिट्टी अनगढ़ी, हमको गुरुवर जान, ज्ञान प्रकाशित कीजिए आप समर्थ बलवान। गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होते हैं, गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होते हैं, गुरु बिन दिशा अजान। गुरु बिन इंद्रिय न सधे, गुरु बिन बढ़े न शान। गुरु मन में बैठत सदा, गुरु है ब्रह्म का काल। गुरु अवगुण को मिटाता, गुरु अवगुण को मिटाता, मिटे सभी भ्रमजाल। Thank you. So dear all, event like this cannot happen overnight. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of motivated and dedicated teachers in the completion of this task. I would like to call upon the stage our charismatic principal Khushbu ma'am to give a vague token of love to all the teachers. So I would like to Khushbu ma'am on the stage.
Taking care of all the students upstairs. So thank you teacher Priyanka Sharma, thank you teacher Sushri, thank you teacher Pratibha Thoret, thank you teacher Riya Lodaya, thank you teacher Richa Shukla, and thank you so much teacher Rashmi. So thank you the whole Gurukul for giving us such a fabulous evening. Please stand up for the national anthem. We will have Arohi Chaple from 3rd A and Viraj Kadam for 3rd A, who will be playing the national anthem for us.
Very good. Bharat Mata ki